morning everyone. Let us revise the previous class. In the previous class we have learned the multiplication of fraction. It has three types, is it? So what are the types we had learned? The first one, the multiplication of fraction by fraction, and second one, multiplication of fraction by whole number, and then multiplication of fraction by mixed fraction or any whole numbers. Okay, I hope you are understood the previous concept. Today we are going to learn about the division of fraction. Okay, see here also three types are there. The first one, the division of fraction by whole number. First one is the division of fraction by a whole number, and second one, the division of fraction by fraction, and third one, division of whole number by fraction. Whole number by fraction. Okay, so now see the first one, division of fraction by whole number. So fraction divided by the whole number, it have written as the fraction multiplied by the reciprocal of the whole number. Reciprocal of the whole number, that is, we multiply the fraction by reciprocal of a whole number. We multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. See the example. Example 5. A 5 by 7 divided by 4, and B one of the problem 3 4 by 5 divided 9. Okay, see. So first fraction divided by 4. What is the formula? Fraction divided by the whole number is equal to fraction. We multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. By the reciprocal of the whole number. So what is the reciprocal? First is change, multiply. Is it? We multiply the fraction. We multiply the fraction. So don't change the first term. Okay. So change the sign. Division change to the multiplication. We multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. What is the reciprocal of 4? 1 by 4. So reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So now you know the multiplication of fraction by fraction. So we have directly multiply the product of their numerator and product of their denominator. So 5 into 5, 5. 7 4s are here, right? Okay, 28. That's it. Okay, and now see the B problem. Here mixed fraction is given. Mixed fraction is given. So you should change to the improper fraction. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 by 5. So what is the rule of fraction divided by the whole number? We multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. So multiply. So first change to the improper fraction and division move to the multiplication, and write the reciprocal of 19 is 1 by 19. 1 by 19. So 19 will be cancelled. So answer is 1 by 5. Okay. And one more example. In example 5, 1 3 by 5 divided by 5 is given. Okay, so here also mixed fraction change to the improper fraction. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 8. So 8 by 5. So what we do? The mixed fraction divided by whole number. So we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. So what is the reciprocal of the whole number? 5 is 1 by 5. So what is the value? Now we get the multiplication of fraction by fraction. So product of the numerator divided by the product of their denominator. So 8 ones are 8 by 5 5s are 25. I hope you are understanding the first one, division of fraction by whole number. Now move to the next one of the type, the division of fraction by fraction. Division of fraction by fraction. Fraction divided by fraction is equal to, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the another fraction. Reciprocal of the another fraction. Here two fractions are there. Okay, so in this time We multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the second one of the fraction. See the example. Example 6. Divide first one 5 by 7 divided by 5 by 2 by 7. And second one 3 5 by 7 divided by 13 by 14. Okay. So first see the first one. So division of two fractions. So the fraction divided by fraction. So fraction, we multiply the fraction 5 by 7, multiply, division change to the multiplication and write the reciprocal of the fraction. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 7? 7 by 2. Now we get the multiplication of two fractions, multiplication of fraction by a fraction. So product of their numerator and divided by product of their denominator. So 5 7s are 35, 7 2s are 14. Okay, finished. And next one, it cancel in 7 table, is it? 7 5s are and 7 2s are. So in fraction is 5 by 2. Okay. Now see the B problem. Here mixed fraction is given. You should change to the improper fraction. So what is that? 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 5 26 by 7. So we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the fraction. What is the reciprocal here? 14 by 13. Okay. It cancel in 7 table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 13 1s are 30, 13 2s are 26. So now multiply the product of the numerator and product of the denominator. So 2 2s are 4. So 1 into 1, 1. So need not put the divided value of 1. Answer is 4. Okay. Now see the C problem in the example 6. The value 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. So here mixed fraction is given. It should change to the improper fraction. So what is the improper fraction value? 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 by 2. So we will multiply the fraction by reciprocal of the fraction. What is the reciprocal of fraction? 3 by 4. So 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Now it cancel in the 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 3 3 will be cancelled. So answer is 2. I hope you are understanding the second type, the division of fraction by fraction. Okay. Now the third one of the type, division of whole number by fraction. Whole number by fraction. So the whole number divided by fraction, we multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. We multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal of the fraction. Okay. See the example. Example 7. Okay. Divide first ones 7 divided by 3 by 4. And B 20 divided by 8 by 11. Okay, see the first one. Multiplying the, we multiply, what is the rule of this whole number divided by fraction? Multiplying the whole number, okay, change to the division, change to the multiplication. The reciprocal of the fraction. What is the reciprocal of the fraction? 3 by 4? 4 by 3. The reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Now, as usual, multiply the whole number by fraction. What is the rule of the whole number by fraction? The whole number multiplied by numerator of the fraction. Is it? So 7 4s are 28 by 3. Here have considered the value is 1. Okay. So it can return cancel in 3 table, it's not possible. Okay, we can write in the mixed fraction of this one. What is the value? 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. So 9 1 by 3 mixed fraction we can write in the fraction. Okay, give it 1. And next one B, 20 divided by 8 by 11. Okay, so the multiplication of whole number, multiply straight in the reciprocal of the number 8 by 11 is 11 by 8. It cancel in 2 table, is it? 2 4s are 2 1s are 10. Okay, again it cancel in the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So now multiply the numerator and denominator. What we get? 5 11s are 55 by 2. It can return as mixed fraction, is it? Here write it. Okay, 7. So 54 plus 1, 55 by 2. Already how do you find out the mixed fraction from the improper fraction, is it? So you will put the long division method, after write the quotient and remainder and divided. Okay, we get the mixed fraction. Okay, now see this C problem. 42 divided by 5 by 14. 5 by 14. Here also whole number divided by the fraction. So we multiply the whole number, the reciprocal of the fraction. What is the reciprocal? 14 by 5. 14 by 5. So it cancel. It's not possible. It's not possible. So multiply 42 into 14. 42 into 14. So 4 2s are 8, 16, 2, 4, sorry 8, 8, 5, 88. So 588 by 5. You can write in the mixed fraction. Okay. So 588 divided by which one? 5. So 5 1s are 5. Mine 8. So 5 1s are 5. Mine 3. So down 8. 5 7s are 35. Remaining 3. So added 0. So need not to decimal point, we have need the mixed fraction. So stop with that. So now write the mixed fraction of, what is that? Quotient, remainder by divider. The value is 117. 3 by 5 is the answer. I hope you all understood the three concepts. What are the division of fraction by the whole number, division of fraction by the fraction, and division of whole number by a fraction. I hope you all understood the examples also. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask to me. I will explain again to you all. And now see the next example 8. Example 8. Divide the sum of 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 by 4 by 5. Okay, so read well the question. Okay, divide the sum of the values 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 by 4 by 5. So read carefully. Sum of these two values. First we have find out these two value of sum. Sum means add. Okay. So first to find out this addition of these two fractions. After that value divided by this value. Okay. We get one of the value from this two addition of these two fractions, is it? So after we get one of the answer, that one divided by this one, divided by this one. Okay. Now see. So sum of, so add 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. What we get? That both are the like fractions. So we can easy to add. So numerator added 3 plus 2 by 5 is 5 by 5. We get the value as 1. Okay. And divided the sum of value is 1 by 4 by 5. Okay. So 1 divided by 4 by 5. That is given, is it? Okay, now already you know that whole number divided by the fraction. What we do, that we multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. What is that value? 4 by 5, 5 by 4. The answer is 5 by 4. The answer is 5 by 4. Here mixed fraction is given. No, but we can write in the mixed fraction. How do you write? 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 by 4. Okay, I hope you are understand the example 8. Okay, now see the example 9. The product of the two fraction is, so given two fraction is 8 by 3 is given. Okay, 8 by 3 is given. If one of them, so one fraction, we have considered A, okay, is equal to, what is the value? 14 by 9. What is the other fraction? So let's be the another fraction. So what is that? Product of the two fractions, that is the product of two fractions means A into B is equal to 8 by 3. So what is the value of A? 14 by 9. Okay, product is given. Okay, correct. Multiply, we didn't know the B value. Okay, so 8 by 3. Now we need the value of B only. So B stay in this place. Okay, and here 8 by already in the side 8 by 3. So multiplication, come to the side is division. Okay, divided by 14 by 9. 14 by 9. So multiplication by using transpose method, come to this side is division. Okay, now it can write 8 by 3 reciprocal. Okay, what is the reciprocal? 9 by 14. Okay, in this place you can't understand. See another one of the method, 8 by 3. So multiplication come to the side, division. So 14 by 9. You know, is it? So division, fraction of by fraction. We multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the another fraction. Reciprocal of the another fraction. So here 8 by 3 stay and change to the division to the multiplication, and 14 by 9. What is the reciprocal of 14 by 9? 9 by 14. Now it cancel in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and then it's cancel in the 2 table. 2 fours are 8 and 2 sevens are 14. Now multiply the numerator. 4 threes are 12 by 7. 4 threes are 12 divided by 7. Okay, it can in the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, how many times of 12? 1 time, is it? So 7 ones are 7 plus 5, 12. So 1 5 by 7 is the mixed fraction of the fraction 12 by 7. 12 by 7. So answer thus the another fraction is 1 5 by 7. Okay, I hope you all understand the concept of example 9. Okay, now see the example 10. Jyoti cuts a 21-meter long rope into pieces of 3 1 by 2 meter length each. how many pieces of a rope did she get? So the big one of the long rope of measurement is 31 meter. Okay, and it has divides 3 1/2 meter length of each. Okay, so how many pieces? Just divided. Okay, so length of the piece, the given, so length of the rope is equal to 21 meter long. Okay, and then length of each pieces. Okay ma, length of each pieces, three 1/2 meter. So change to the improper fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7/2 meter. Okay, so we need the number of pieces, just this one divided by this one. Okay, so the number of pieces is equal to length of the rope divided by length of each pieces. Okay, pieces. Okay, right. So what is the length of the rope? 21 meter divided by length of each pieces is 7/2 meter. So whole number divided by a fraction. So multiplying the whole number and reciprocal of that number, is it? So what is the reciprocal? 2/7. It cancel in 7 tables, 7 3s are. So 6, we get the answer is 6. Hence Jyoti got how many pieces of rope? 6 pieces of the rope. Okay, I hope you all understand the bad problem. Okay, the total number of total length of the rope is 21 meter and each piece is divided in the 7/2 meter, and we need the number of pieces, how many pieces we got from the 21 meter. So just to divide the length of the rope and divide each pieces, we get the answer. So 6 pieces of rope we got from the length of the rope 21 meter. Okay, now see the exercise problems. 2.2. Okay, so first one, divide the following. First subdivision, 1/7, the fraction divided by the whole number. Okay, fraction divided by the whole number. First one, B, 6, the whole number divided by a fraction. C, the whole number divided by a fraction. And then D1, 3 divided by 2/21. Okay, now see, already you know the rules. Okay, the whole number, we multiply the division of the fraction by whole number, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. What is the reciprocal of the whole number? 2, 1/2. So we can written as product of the numerator is 1 and product of the denominator. In this place we have applied the multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Okay, so 7 2s are 14. That's it. And 6 divided by 3/7. So whole number divided by the fraction. So we multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction is 7/3. Now multiply the numerator and denominator. The whole number multiplied by the fraction of the numerator. So 6 7s are 42 by 3. It cancel in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Remaining 1. So 3 4s are 12. So answer is 14. And here, so 9 divided by 3 by 4. So whole number multiplied by reciprocal of the fraction is 4 by 3. So it cancel in 3 table. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So now just multiply the numerator, 3 fours are 12. That's all. And next one, 3 whole number divided by the fraction. So whole number, multiply the whole number by reciprocal of the fraction is 21 by 2. So multiply the numerator. So 63 by 2. It can written in the mixed fraction. Okay. Need to write in the mixed fraction. So how many times? 31 2s are 60. 2 plus 1 63 by 2. If you need using the long division method, okay, 63 2 6 2 3s are 6 3, and then how many times? 1 time. 2 ones are 2, remaining 1. So quotient 31, the remainder is 1 and divided as 2. So answer for that problem is 31 1 by 2. Okay. Now move the second problem. Remaining 4 of them homework. Okay. Divide. First 5 by 9 divided by 10 by 27. B and C are homework, same method, and D is given the mixed fraction type. So D 5 by 6, 5 by 17 divided by 4 by 51. Then E problem 1 8 by 11 divided by 1 5 by 33. So remaining problems are homework. See, divide. What is given? Divide. How do you divide this? Five. The fraction divided by fraction. So we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the fraction. The reciprocal of the another fraction. Here the fraction reciprocal of the fraction is 27 by 10. It can cancel in 5 tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay. Here 9 table, 9 threes are 27. So answer is 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay. It can also written in the mixed fraction 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2. See the second one of the problem. So here mixed fraction is given 6, 17 6 are. What is the value of 17 6 are? 17 6 are 6 7s are 42. So 102. Okay, 102 plus 5 107. 107 by 17 divided by 4 by 51 is given. Okay, now just in this place mixed fraction change to the improper fraction only. Okay, so the multiplying the fraction by the reciprocal of the another fraction. What is the reciprocal value? 51 by 4. Okay, so it cancel in 3 times. 17 3s are 17 ones are 17, 17 3s are 51. Can you cancel in 4 table? Is this possible? Yes, no. Now multiply the 107 into 3. 107 into 3, 7 3s are 21, 2 3 ones are 3. So 321 by 4. If you need here, calculate the multiplication of 107 to 3. 7s are 21, 3 ones are 3. Okay. So 321 divided by 4. It can write in the mixed fraction. So what is the mixed fraction of this one? 81 by 4. This also you have to do in the long division method. What is that value? 321 by 4. 8 4s are 32. Now down 1. It's not possible. Added 0. Okay. So 81 by 4 is the answer. 81 by 4 is the answer. Okay, and next one. Mixed fraction change to the improper fraction. 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 8, 19 by 11 divided by here 33, 38 by 33, 38 by 33. Now, two fractions, division of two fraction by a fraction is given. So, what we do? We multiply a fraction, from multiplication, reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of fraction of 38 by 33 is 33 by 38. It cancel in 11 table. 11 3s are 33 and 19 2s are 38. So, answer is 3 by 2. It also can be written in a fraction. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 3, sorry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2. So, mixed fraction of 3 by 2 is 1, 1 by 2. Okay. So, remaining problems are homework. Now, see the third problem. Add 1, simplify. First one, A, 3 divided by 8, division of 4 by 7 plus 3 by 7. And B1, 6 by 7 into 5 by 9 divided by 15 by 27. And C, 13 by 4 into 3 by 26 into 5 by 9. Okay. So, solution. So, 3 by 8. So, division is given. So, first prefer to the bracket parenthesis. Okay. So, simplify the parenthesis values. So, here 2 like fraction is given. We can easily add the numerator and denominator. So, what is the value? 4 plus 3 by 7. Okay. So, 3 by 8 divided by 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 7. So, 7 by 7 we get the value is 1. Okay. So, 3 by 8. So, multiplying the 1. We get the answer is 3 by 8. That's all. Okay. Now, see the B problem. Here multiplication and division is given. First prefer to the which one? Division. Okay. So, solution. 6 by 7 into 5 by 9. Change to the multiplication. Write in the reciprocal of the fraction. What is the reciprocal of the fraction? 15 by 27. 27 by 15. 27 by 15. So, okay, it cancel in 9 table. 9 3s are 27. It's also cancel. 15 also cancel by the 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. So, 3 will be cancelled. So, what is the answer here? 6 by 7. So, answer is 6 by 7. The problem 13 by 4 into 3 by 26 into 5 by 9. So, all the values in multiplication. Okay. So, 13 by 4 into 3 by 26 into 5 by 9. Okay. So, 13 2s are 26. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay. So, now multiply the product of their numerator divided by product of their denominator. So, what is the value? 1 into 5 and 4 into 3. 2 into 4 into 2 into 3. So, 1 5s are 5, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, I hope you all understood the today concept. What we learned today? Division of fraction. It has 3 types. What are the division by fraction and division whole number by fraction and division of fraction by whole number. I hope you all understood the concept. If you have any doubt, ask to me. Thank you, students.